Hello everyone, I am Dr. Smita Petkar Dhopte, lecturer in chemistry, Government Polytechnic Nagpur. Today I am going to present environmental sustainability using polymeric surfactant. Friends, we know that surfactant are surface active agents which generally lowers the surface tension of the liquid, and despite of the large variety of surfactant which are already available today, we are facing much problem concerning colloidal stability and surface activity still arises, which cannot be solved with conventional additives. So there is a need of polymeric surfactant, because polymeric surfactant gives an exciting addition to the existing product range. It gives a unique class of high performance product for the emulsion. They are capable of providing a powerful dispersing action under suitable conditions. So friends, polymeric surfactants are having more improving properties than the conventional one. Some important features for the polymeric surfactants are calcium and magnesium sequestration, clay soil dispersity, clay soil removal, calcium carbonate inhibition, prevention of soil redeposition, fabric anti-incrustation. Some environmental aspects of using these polymeric surfactants are toxicity and biodegradation, and some toxicity tests on polycarboxylates, which are generally used as a polymeric surfactant, are used and which are tried on different molecular weight of polymer, and different parameters regarding toxicity have been studied, and wonderful results came out for the toxicity test. And for the biodegradation also, for river water, biodegradation gives the CO2 percentage of CO2 production, in which homopolymer and copolymer, if we compare some homopolymeric material under the molecular weight up to 10,000 molecular weight, they are producing or releasing very less amount of percentage of CO2. So we can conclude that polymeric surfactants were used as a soil remover, soil dispersion, anti-redepositing agents. Molecular weight has an impact on the properties of detergent. Liquid compatible polymers as sole builder in liquid detergent formulations has a wide scope in future. In future, we have to develop polymer that do not need hydrotrophs to be suitable in liquid detergent. We know that aquatic flora and fauna will be very much advantageous by using this type of polymeric surfactant, and use of this will create an impact on environmental imbalancing. So they are very useful to for the sustainability of environment. Thank you friends.
मम्मा बनने ना पावर बन बनने सकते हैं